Today at Secret Super Chef, we have the Khoka Bazaar style Lamba Pav. This is usually had with kebabs, one of the breakfast delicacies of Mumbai. You can also have it with any non-veg gravies. Let's begin with the detailed video recipe. To yield 2 loaves of Lamba Pav, we'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Follow the exact measurements. To this, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Add half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt. Now I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoons of dissolved yeast. Now our secret ingredient, 2 tablespoons sour cream. If you do not have sour cream, you can add very sour curd. Now using 1 cup warm milk, knead a nice soft dough. Do not add the milk all together. 1 cup milk is enough for this recipe. Once the dough comes together, add 2 tablespoons of pure ghee and knead the dough thoroughly. In the beginning, it will be sticky, but it will come together. Though a lot of kneading is not required for this recipe. If at all you feel a little more ghee is needed, add a little bit more and knead it to a soft dough. I have used 2 tablespoons while kneading the dough, and I will use 1 teaspoon to grease the dough. Grease the ghee all around the dough. We are applying the ghee again because we don't want our dough to stick to our bowl. Cover our dough and let the dough rest for an hour in a warm place. These Lamba Pavs are generally hard from the top, and the secret behind is the top layer that we are going to apply. For that, I have used 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 2 teaspoons of milk. Dissolve it into a nice thick slurry and set this aside. After almost an hour, my dough has rised very beautifully. Gradually release the air, simultaneously kneading the dough at the same time. Once kneaded thoroughly, divide the dough into 2. Since we'll be making 2 loaves here, make 2 equal portions. Roll and tuck the dough nicely into a nice circle. Take a greased baking tray. On it, directly place the one divided roll. Even it out and flatten it little bit. This dough does not rise very much while baking, so make sure you do not have a very flat disc-like dough. Have at least 1 inch thickness. Once you have flattened your dough to the desired shape and size, score it with the help of a knife. Here I am doing diagonal cuts to have diagonal shapes. Generally the Lamba Pav is in the shape of a diamond, so I am scoring it exactly in the same shape. Don't make very deep cuts here. Once you have scored the loaf, now generously apply our coat of the milk powder and the milk. Brush it all over, on the top, on the sides, everywhere. Once done, bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Oh my God, I'm already loving it. Can you see the crust? Can you see the base? It's golden brown in color. And you can easily break them now since we had scored it. Look at that beautiful texture of the pav. I can just have it as it is. Follow the exact measurements and you'll also have the exact same dough, and you can have it along with some kebabs or keema for your breakfast. I can say it's almost 98% close to the pav that is available. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. If you like our recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.